Here, this is my second time at the range with the arex Delta M Gen 2 here. This is at the C2 Tactical, not the one that you mill from Gunstock goes to. This is in Tempe, the one he's in, all the way in Scottsdale, which is like 20 minutes drive from me. Let's do this. Alright. Alright. I'm not the best shot one-handed, but I'll try. Alright, I'm going to have to do the rest off camera. I'll be back. Okay, this is the last 10. I'm ready to open fire. Pardon me, one-handed. I'll do my best here, just bear with me. And that's the last round. I'll see you later.